According to Hall, editing online stories. Online stories have to be edited for accuracy of the story, figures, photos, videos, grammar, spelling, structure, choice of words, etc. Formatting of the page has to be done. If photo galleries and multiple videos are used, formatting may take some time. After editing, previewing of the page has to be done. Otherwise, mistakes might crop in. An editor has to assure him or herself that editing copy should be clean and devoid of spelling mistakes, of names, institutions or words, etc. Headlines of a story are informative, precise and invoke readers' interest. Captions of the photos and credits are appropriately placed and correctly spelled. Page layout is correctly done. All visual elements are correctly placed. Online pages must be adaptable to multiple platforms and could be opened in all types of browsers. Media convergence is a process of gathering and dissemination of news across a multimedia platforms. Multimedia platforms. Media convergence is text plus, photos plus, audio plus, video plus graphics is equal to multimedia. Convergence within journalism. Convergence in media is happening at many levels. Convergence within newsroom, within content, within the way information is collected and within the way news is disseminated. Newsroom convergence. Journalists from different media, TV, radio, newspaper and online share same workspace, attend the same meeting and plan presentation of news together. Depending on the platform, editors plan their presentation of news. News gathering convergence. Reporters, photojournalists and editors from different media platforms collaborate on news story. They gather news story from their professional angle and share among various media platforms. Content convergence. The final cover story is presented in multimedia form, combining text, images, audio, video, blogs, podcasts, slideshows, etc. Content management systems are created by media companies that are storing content in various digital formats and delivering content easily to different platforms. Innovation in technology are transforming 21st century journalism and promoting media convergence. Flexible delivery platforms. Online news content can be delivered through SMS alerts, email alerts and RSS feed, etc. Journalism and artificial intelligence. When news stories are produced automatically by computers instead of human reporters, it is called as automated journalism, algorithmic journalism or robot journalism. By virtue of artificial intelligence, the news is interpreted, organized and presented in human readable ways. It involves algorithms which process the huge amount of data, picks from pre-programmed article structure, places crucial points and inserts the requirements like names, statistics, figures and the like. Artificial intelligence enables to personalize the media content in order to recommend better to its audience. By the virtue of robot journalism, more and more stories and videos can be incorporated. Artificial intelligence provides technological support to journalists in the age of information. Overload syndrome. Prospects and challenges of online journalism. Immediacy of the online environment has given opportunity for everybody on the planet to publish online. The speed of the internet is made to sacrifice journalistic ethics and affecting credibility and accuracy. One of the advantages of internet is reaching millions of viewers instantaneously. In cyber journalism, credibility and accuracy of information cannot be compromised. Multi-skilled convergent journalists need to be multi-skilled. To perform multiple skills, journalists need to get trained. Sometimes a report has to act like a photojournalist, video journalist and an editor, etc. A convergence reporter might be writing to newspaper, editing a video to TV and filing a brief to web simultaneously. Because of ever-changing media landscape, a convergent journalist has to be familiar with various forms of storytelling. From gatekeeping to gate watching. Gatekeeping is selection of news. Traditional media houses follow gatekeeping. Social media has no gatekeeping. Anybody can publish online content. So in online journalism, gate watching is practiced. What type of content is published in various platforms is carefully watched. Ethical and legal challenges. Accuracy, correction of errors, Copyright Act has to be followed and never plagiarize. Identify the sources and link to news sources ethically. Online journalists should be sensitive to others' privacy. Content of photos and videos should never be distorted. If changes made, attribution must be made. Always factual information and commentary must be clearly mentioned. Advocacy, commentary and facts must be differentiated. News and opinion should be clearly labeled in online journalism. Internet is an interactive media, so whether viewers should be allowed to publish material or not should be thought carefully. Media law and ethics. Nowadays, news on web spreads far and wide. In India, online journalism websites have to work within Information Technology Act 2000. Content on the web has to follow laws like IPC, CRPC, Defamation, Obscenity Act and Misrepresentation of Women's Act. Code of Journalistic Ethics has to be followed by digital journalists. Digital journalists have to uphold ethics like objectivity, accuracy, fairness, credibility, etc. Competition among the news websites to break a story is putting heavy toll on the media persons. Digital journalists have to deliver the news with speed. So there is possibility of accuracy and credibility, fairness, etc. getting sidelined. Unless news is verified from credible sources, accuracy can't be confirmed. Citizen journalists are very active with their cell phone cameras and social media handles. News gets posted on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram or YouTube, etc. Faster before journalists post news on their website. Because of social media accessibility to everyone, fake news is spreading faster. There is no gatekeeping in social media. So there is nobody to check the authenticity of the information shared on the social media. Bloggers generally express their opinions and analysis. YouTube channels are cropping up innumerably. More opinion analysis are coming out on social media. Therefore, fairness is a major issue in social media. Common public are active on social media. They are not aware of media laws and journalistic ethics. Neither are they trained in communication and journalism. They cover a news event from their perspective and post it on social media. No doubt, it is a strengthening democracy, but ethics are sacrificed. By training citizen journalists, they can write news objectively as per journalist ethics. Slanting news will lose its credibility. Online journalism has really brought tectonic shift in the field of journalism, but it is still in its evolving stage. It needs to get standardized and stabilized. No doubt, varieties of subjects are discussed on web platforms. It has empowered common man and strengthened democracy. Gatekeeping by media houses is no more relevant. With all its advantages, it also has certain disadvantages. Online journalism content has to be regulated with adequate laws, keeping in view freedom of speech and online media is unique because it is multi-faced and driven by user. Skills and knowledge needed for online journalism is much more than traditional journalism. The internet provides a platform for various forms of news content, text, photos, videos, information graphics, etc. Depending on the targeted readers and audience, reporters use different types of content formats to narrate their stories. Content is packed in such a way that readers or audience are engaged and motivated to consume it. One of the advantages of online journalism is that content can be posted in multiple formats. There are several types of multimedia formats: videos, photos, podcasts, HTML pages, infographics, etc. are various formats of online media. Online media follows the non-linear format. Readers or viewers can reach to any format by pressing the link. Writing for online should be short sentences and small paragraphs. Online readers or viewers do not spend much time on one item. They browse swiftly from one page to another. Sometimes one link to another link. Videos have to be made with utmost care for online. An interview is a significant format used in journalism. So mobile apps and cameras can be used to shoot videos effectively. Media laws and ethics have to be followed. Thank you.